In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield washer hose in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Over near the battery, you can see where there's a junction. You can disconnect the hose. Just grab the piece and just slide it off like that. Follow it down. There is a retainer holding it in. You can just slide it out of that retainer. Because we're going to remove the wiper arms, we're just going to mark where they are. Just use a crayon or something you can wash off afterwards. You can do it to both wiper blades. Take this cover off. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Pop that off. Using a 13mm socket, take this nut off. Take that nut off and slide that off. Where the hose goes in, right here, you want to pry that up. You need a trim tool. Just get underneath here. Pop that up. And you can take the wiper arm off. And we'll do the same on the other one. There's a cover right here. Just use a trim tool. Just get underneath here, pop this up. There's a couple clips holding it on. Just get under the back side a little bit. That slides up. You can see the clips. You're going to do the same on the other side, but because there's an antenna, you're going to have to go straight up with it. On both sides, there's a screw. I'm going to use a T15 socket. Take this screw out. Do the same on the other side. We're going to take these clips off. I'm just using a trim tool. Just get underneath it, slide it off. There's more on the cowl. Take all those off. Now grab the cowl cover, and just slide it out. Go around that ground wire. And there it is. Now remove the washer hose, just grab and just pull it back. It's just like a rubber grommet. There's a retainer right here. Pop that off. And then do the same on this one. It just pops out. There's the old one. Let's take the new one, line it up, push it down, make sure it stays in place. That's good. The same over here. Lock it down and push down the retainers. Make sure those are all in place. That looks good. We can slide this back in place. Get those lined up. Put the screws in on the side and tighten those down. I'm going to put these covers on. Line that up. Lock it down. Do the same on the other side. Push these clips in place. Take the wiper arm, line that up. Make sure it's lined up with your marks on the windshield. Put your nut on. Tighten this down. You can torque this nut to 18 foot-pounds. Take the cover, line it up, push it on, and take the hose and push that in place. And you can do the same on the other side. Now slide the hose down. You can go through the retainer underneath there. And attach the hoses together. Just tuck it out of the way.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.